sausages for dinner. Over top of the fire.
It's sizzling nicely. I'm just a little bit worried about this plastic part.
Yeah. Sausages are looking good. Nice golden brown. Keep flipping them around. No. But it might be nice if the peppers weren't mixed in there.
Yeah.
Peppers need to be on their own.
Leave the peppers alone.
Well, you gotta pay the price when you're cooking on a campfire. Smoke in the eyes.
Now, looks like we have some space to even warm up our egg
Salsa?
bread.
Salsa?
Egg bread.
Egg bread, yeah.
Made in store. Loblaws egg bread. It's so fresh.
We don't even slice it up, you just pull big chunks out and throw it in there. That's the way it's done on the campfire. You don't need a knife. Look at that yummy egg bread. That's what I'm talking about. Well, let's just see how this is.
Chin chin. Oh yeah. Tasty.
Very nice. Lots of foam, but tastes pretty good.
Couple of sausage.
Don't forget the bread.
Of course not. And a piece of bread. That's it.
Looks good. Lovely.
How is it?
It's good. It's very good.
What do you like the best?
Oh, the sausage tastes pretty good. Yeah.
Where's your beer?
Eggs are nice too. How are ya? How you doing? How you doing over there, kid? Yeah. Good.
You gotta roll your...
Here comes the acorn attack. Somebody's firing acorns at us. Coming flying through the trees.
Over time, the point has changed in shape and size. While at the tip, feel free to take a photo of what it looks like today as part of our Picture Post program. Please note that strong currents are present in the water at the tip. Swimming or wading into the water.
So you probably go on a Monday.
Here.
Here. There's a crazy wave going on.
Surfing.
Yeah.
Surfing bird. Yeah.
So, I was gonna make burrito, but I changed my mind.
Okay.
Because I was thinking that if you make a form of quesadilla than burrito, it would have a wider surface. It won't be as thick as burritos, so it will take shorter time to cook, right?
Okay.
What do you think?
Sounds good.
So I got some no-name cheese, nacho blend. So cooked up some chicken and some onion, Mexican style.
Looks good.
This is dessert actually. And I also pre-made guacamole that we can add. You see, I made it yesterday. It's still green because I added lots of lime juice. It didn't change the color. All right.
Looking good, Chief.
So first layer, I would start with some cheese. Let's spread this all over. So just mix cheese, and then I'm gonna add some chicken.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Load me up.
Let's add more cheese. There. And then pour this in half, so it looks like half moon. And wrap this with tinfoil to make a little pouch. Right, and let's see what happens.
Okay, so there's one for me. Where's yours?
I was thinking that we could split half
Oh, okay.
to test how it is.
Okay.
And then if we like it, we can make another one.
Okay, sure. There it sits. For how long? Get that bird out of there.
Some plates already.
Okay, well that's gonna be really hot, so.
Yeah, let's test it. Let's test it. So as we discussed earlier, we have some store-bought salsa.
Yeah.
We have some ready-made homemade guacamole. And we have this quesadilla.
Yeah.
Let's open it. Okay, looking good. This is what it looks like inside. Looks like all the cheese is melted, which is good.
Okay, looking great. Can't wait to get this in my gullet. Get her doing. As you can see, we literally crushed some beers last night. They went down pretty good. Lots of craft beers from around this area.